Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. In this video, we are going to learn about this nested under root. Nested under root, it means that we have roots above roots. For example, we have under root x, under root x, under root x, under root x equal to 4. And we know that under root x is equal to x power 1 over 2. So we are separating all of these. For example, here we have under root x multiplied by 2 root x multiplied by 3 roots x and multiplied by 4 root x for the last one. So for this one, we are going to say x power 1 over 2, and x power, we have 2 roots, it means 1 over 2 into 1 over 2, so it will be 1 over 4. So here we have 3 roots, it means x power 1 over 8, and here we have 4 roots, it means x power 1 over 16 equal to 4. Since we know that when the bases are same, the powers are added, so we will add all of these powers, x power 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8 plus 1 over 16 equal to 4. So finding the LCM, so the LCM will be 16. So 16 divided by 2, that will be 8, plus 16 divided by 4, that will be 4, plus 16 divided by 8, that will be 2, plus 16 by 16, that will be 1. So it will be x power 15 over 16 equal to 4. Now if we write power 16 over 15 outside the bracket, it means both will be cancelled, so that will be same, equal to 4 power 16 over 15, because it will be on both the sides. So here we have x equal to 4 power 16 over 15. So this is our answer. And here we have the 4 options. So this one is not available in the options. So can we write 4 power 16 over 15 as 4 power 8 over 7.5? So we can write in this way as well. Now this is available in the options. So B is the right answer. Thank you for watching this video.